Saving telco from itself, overcoming the top 5 challenges in 2024. 2024 will be a key year for telcos to embrace a solution mindset and make the transition to software-driven success. How does the telco industry save itself from itself and successfully transform? Here are the top 5. Own a solution mindset. Invest in software excellence. Embrace the edge. Follow the gravity of open architectures. Dial down the Futurama. Let's double-click on invest in software excellence. Software had traditionally been a hidden asset at telcos, embedded in proprietary equipment for decades. In addition to embedded infrastructure, software has been an essential part of handset and UE user equipment. Although telcos have been more focused on certifications and FOTA, more than the software development itself. That's changing. Being able to embrace software as a differentiator is crucial. Not only is it becoming fundamental to virtualizing the network and software-based packet cores, but it's also essential to AI-driven processes and secured equipment across the edge. The telco industry needs to invest in not only developing software, but deploying, maintaining, and supporting software using cloud-native DevOps. This not only strengthens telco operations and innovation, but also helps procure software at the right levels in the stack. Every company, including telco, needs to become a software company. An interesting example here is Singtel with their Paragon platform, a full suite of software capabilities for multi-cloud management, network slicing, and solution onboarding. We don't want telcos to help us to escape to the future, but we need to make today work by committing to the transformation needed to save the telco industry from itself. Subscribe and share. Stay tuned for part 4.